what you're looking at is two 5-ton 3-phase 28-year-old Lennox units. Believe it or not, the one on the left, that one right there, I changed the compressor in last year on a Sunday by myself. Towed the compressor up the ladder because this is a leased building. He is responsible for the equipment, and he knew he was going to be leaving before the year was out, so he said just go ahead and put a compressor in. So we are back now, and unfortunately for him, he's got like 6 days left in this suite. So I hope it's nothing serious. And then when I was here that Sunday evening changing the compressor, the coil inside was dirty too, so I cleaned it. So I mean, it was really dirty. So we got him going last year, and now this year it's not cooling again. Hope, like I said, hope it's nothing serious, because he is going to be moving in 6 days. So what a way to end a run on a suite. I don't know how long it's been here, so, but anyway, wish me luck. Ow. Did you get that part? Yeah, that hurt. Actually did. I know you guys think that all I do is change coils, but that's not the case. I do a lot more than that. Now we're going to take this ladder off the truck, climb up there, and see if we can't figure out what's going on with Whenever you get your ladder set up on the roof, it's always a good idea to take your strap with you. If you don't, you'll be shimmying down a gas pipe somewhere. Alright, so I checked the voltage. He's not here yet, so I'm just kind of checking to see what's going on before he got here, because it was anything serious. So I'm going to push in the contactor. That's a good sound. Well, I was wrong about the date. It's actually done in 10 of 87. So I was wrong by a couple of years, but that's it. Normally you don't put compressors in that old of a unit, but it's still going, and like I said, I have a feeling it's got a leaking end or a coil, so we're not even going to look for it. We're just going to gas them up and go on this one. Charging for the Freon and the third call, and go on to the next one. 1 pound. 1 pound. So 1 pound will make it not cool for sure. Something getting held up there, Nick.
Yeah.
So that's how you put the ladder back on the truck. Easy, easy, easy. I have these longer, so in case I had to put something else up there, I can do it. And in all actuality, I really don't need these straps because this ladder's not going anywhere. It's got this thing right here, and it's got those bars up front, so it's not moving forward, it's not moving backwards. Alright, that's it. I'm going to walk in there and let them know we're leaving.